Okay, how's it going? All right, I'm going to be posting this in your Google Classroom so you'll have reference to it anytime you need it. So after Sonia deposited $3,588.45 into her savings account, she had a balance of $10,320.12. What is the balance before the deposit? Okay, so I'm going to bullet the information. And underline. So I'm going to come back over here, first things first. Circle my numbers and underline what's important. So underline that number, deposited. Deposit means put into her savings account. And she had a balance, means total. This is what she has now, of $10,320.12. What is the balance before the deposit? So we're needing to find out how much she had before she put the money in. So I'm going to bullet my work. She deposited $3,588.45. Her balance was $10,320.12. And then the question that they're asking me, I'm going to put it in a statement, was what was the balance before the deposit? And I'm going to use the part of my sentence and put the balance before the deposit was blank. Okay, so my operation that I'm going to be using is subtraction. So you can sit here and you can subtract out. Make sure your larger number is always on top. I'm going to subtract $3,588.45. So you can do it this way, or you can take what she deposited and add it to one of your answers, and one of your answers will equal $10,320.12. So I'm going to do it this way first. This is my total that she has. This is what she deposited. And I'm looking what it was before deposit. Okay? All right, I can't take 5 out of 2, so I'm going to come over here and regroup and borrow, and now I can. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Can't take 4 out of 0, so I'm going to come over here and regroup. Well, I can't take anything out of 0, so I need to go to my 2 and regroup from there, and I can take 1 out of there. Now I'm bringing this to a 10, and now I can regroup. That makes it a 9, and I bring that over here to my 10th, and now I have 10. So I get 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6. You see my decimals? I had to line up my decimals. And I'm going to bring this straight down. 9 minus 8 is 1. Can't take 8 out of 1. So I'm going to regroup and bring that over. So I have 8. So 11 minus 8 is 3. I have my 5. Can't take 5 out of 2. Have to come over here and regroup. Can't take it from 0. So I'm going to take this. It becomes a 0. Makes this a 10. Take this out. Makes that a 9. And bring this over. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. So now my answer is $6,731.67. Again, if you are still struggling with regrouping, you can use your answers because this is the total that you're trying to find. Is is what she deposited. So I'm going to take what she deposited, and all of these, what was the balance before the deposit? So this is the balance before the deposit. So all of these are the possibilities of the balance before the deposit. So I can take my $3,588.45 and add $5,731.33. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. Again, see my decimals are all lined up. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry my 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry my 1. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So it's nowhere near 10,000. Well, it's near it 10,000, but it's not exact. So this is not a possibility. And I'm going to continue doing it until I reach the 10,320. So if I added, okay, because I need to check my work. So if I had $3,588.45 and I added $6,731.67, 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry my 1. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Carry my 1. There's my decimal again. And I always draw my arrows. That is very habitual. I've done that for years. And it's a reminder, tells my brain, do something with that decimal. Don't ignore it. It's really important. Okay, so I had to carry my 1. 8 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. I'm going to carry my 1 here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry my 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry my 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'll put my comma after every third place value, and you can see that my answer matches there. Okay, so you can do either one. The most important thing that I want you to remember is look at the steps that I'm taking. I put what my answer is. This is the balance before. So I know all of these are my possibilities. Look at what I labeled over here. This is the balance this is the total balance after she made that deposit. Here's my total, here's what she deposited, and this is before. Just so do you see how everything matches? Take the time to do that. You will find that your brain is going to be able to sort out the information so much faster. Stop trying to rush through it and be precise in your computations and your reading. Okay, number 16. If Jonathan writes 4 and 672 thousandths in expanded notation, what would he write to represent the value of 6? So I need the value, represent the value of 6. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm drawing out, and I'm going to put, I know this is ones place, this is tenths place, this is hundredths place, and this is thousandths place. Okay? I'm looking for, this is 4, 6, 7, and 2. I need the value of 6. So, is it 6 times 100? No, because 6 times 100 would be 600, and 6 is in the hundreds. This means whole, and it's not. I only go up to the ones place. If that were the case, it would be over here. This is ones, tens, and hundreds. That 6 would be over here, and that's not what that is at all. Okay? Is it 6 times tenths, hundredths, 1/100th, because the expression has a value of 6/10? Absolutely not. This is tenths place. This is like 60 cents, and that's hundredths. This would look like 0.06. Does this match this? That's a false statement, too. That's not true. Is it 6 times 10 because the expression is equal to 60? Does it equal 60? We just talked about today how we can have the same numbers, but that decimal is going to make a difference. Because here's your decimal place, and here's your 6. Is 6 equal to 6/10? Nope, that's false. Is it 6 times 1/10 because 6 is in the tenths place? Yes, and that makes it a true statement. Now look at all the work that I did to get the answer correct. So if you're just circling an answer and saying, I've got it, you're not showing the evidence that you can prove that your answer is correct. So stop, pause this, and prove that your answer is correct by showing the work that we just did. So here I have 6/10 is equal to 6/10. Okay, and that's what you have. All right, number 17. Tim completed a 40-yard dash in 5 812 of a second, or 812 thousandths of a second. And Pete finished the dash in 5 900 seconds. Based on the running times, which statement is true? Pete ran faster than Tim. Okay, so I need to find out who's going to be running the fastest time. So I'm going to have Tim, 5 812 seconds. And then I have Pete at 5 900 seconds. And I'm going to put an invisible 0 to hold my place. Now, did Pete run faster than Tim because 0 is less than 8 in the tenths place? It's a possibility, right? Because we're looking. So we can check that out. That's a possibility. Did Tim ran faster than Pete because 5 800 thousandths is greater than 5 900ths? It is greater. But again, think about it. Let's do a little think bubble here. Let me think. When somebody is running, and here's the start line, I'm going to put start, and this person's here, and this person's here, and here's the finish line. I'm going to put finish, and this is Pete, and this is Tim. Pete made it here in 5 minutes and 900ths of a second. And Tim, the clock is still going. Who ran faster? Yeah, Pete did. Because 5, this is the shorter number. He ran faster because he gets here at 5, and now it's 5 812 thousandths of a second. So it took him less time to get here than it did Tim. Because